Hello everybody, my name is ANorris and here is my intro video for AEP859. So just to share a little bit about me, my family here that I've pictured, have a picture here. This is me with my husband, Micah, and 3 of our kids. This summer we went and watched the Royals and the Red Sox game, in which we of course are Red Sox fans, so go Sox, being the World Series champions this year. That made for interesting conversation with my students this year too. So, and then there I have a picture of our newest addition, little David, who is named after David Ortiz. If anybody out there is Red Sox fans, they'll know who that is. But he was born on December 19th, so it made for a really special Christmas, and I'm actually finishing up my maternity leave here by next week, being home with him. So that is what I have going on in my life right now, other than these classes and teaching, of course. So just a little bit more about me, my previous experience before coming into teaching. I graduated from WSU with a biological science degree, and then I was given an opportunity to be in management after that. So I actually got into being a regional bank manager for a while before I came over to teaching. My professional life as of right now, have to say I am having a blast, pun intended. I teach chemistry at Mulvane High School, and I also teach health science. That was a lot of my emphasis in my undergraduate degree, so this year I picked up taking on some of the health science classes as well. But in my pictures there, this Halloween, I exploded a pumpkin for my chemistry students, and then also using methane gas, we light methane bubbles. That's my other picture there. So going from banking to literally making things explode has been awesome. Awesome experience for me and the kids too. But and then up there I have a picture of one of the projects that my health science kids worked on. We did surgeries on potato men, so they'd have to use the correct terminology and going through these procedures, so that was something that was fun for them to do too. So going from the private sector to teaching has been awesome for me. I really have enjoyed it. So professional goals for me, I will be graduating from Fort Hays State from the transition to teaching program this spring, so I'm very excited about that. I want to continue teaching kids to love science, but my long-term goals is, and having management experience in my background too, I'd love to be a building administrator at some point as well. What I hope to learn from this class is, with the curriculum piece, I want to make sure that my instruction, and of course following curriculum guidelines, I want to make sure that my instruction is relevant, effective, engaging for students, and I want it to be lasting, meaningful, lifelong learning for them, because we're preparing them for life outside of school. So that is something that I want to make sure that I am I'm doing with my instruction. And lastly, I close with this quote that I found, that the best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. And I think that, especially after the readings that we had this week, that will be something that is emphasized and that we learn. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to learning with you all. Bye.